For a great beer can chicken, the first thing you want to do is start off with a whole thawed chicken. You want to clean it out really well. You'll want to wash it inside and out, prop it up in the corner of your sink and let all the excess water drain out. Meanwhile, get out a tray and the beer can chicken holder, if you have one. If you don't, that's okay too. Now open a can of beer and pour half in a glass. That's for the cook later. Now put the can in the holder, just like so. Spoon a little rub down into the beer can. Now plop that chicken right down on there. If you don't have a holder, make the legs and the beer can a tripod to hold the chicken upright. Now pat dry the chicken really well. Start rubbing the rub all over the chicken. You want the skin covered really well. This is my little helper, Daisy. On a hot grill or in a hot oven, place the chicken standing up. In the oven, you'll want to use a tray underneath it. Any extra rub that has fallen on the tray or beer that is spilled out, I pour right back down into the top of the chicken. Now, shut the lid and let it grill. In the Colorado mountains where I live, it takes about an hour and a half at about 350. Time goes by fast, but boy, look at that bird. Using my silicone mitts, I grab the bird and I don't have to worry about getting burnt. See how nice he sits up? If you have help, have them hold the beer can chicken holder down while you pull the chicken off. If not, do it in the sink, and that way if you spill the beer, it won't go everywhere. Now, put the bird on a serving plate. The pieces pull apart very easily. Enjoy!